In the service manual, among the last pages, we can find the wiring diagram. Number 107 in this diagram is accessory light connector. You can check this in the list attached to the diagram. This connector already consists of 3 connections we need: black for minus, red plus, brown switch. By following the red line in the diagram, we can see it already has a fuse. Number 4 in this diagram. This fuse is 20 amperes. Let's disassemble the right battery cover to find accessory connector. I will also remove my plastic 3D printed engine guard protectors. I should make another video about them. Finally, we can get to the connector. So let's verify what manual tells us. We have potential between black and red, but we only have electric potential between black and brown when bike is on. Now let's make a connector. This is 3-pin Sumimoto empty sealed connector. See the link in the description below. For this purpose, we need only male part of it. It is a good idea to check this connector before we continue. Now, I will prepare the wire harness, as explained in the first video of this series, link in the description below. Connect relays and put fuses in their holders. A quick test before we mount all on the bike. Switch off and switch on. Time to mount everything on the bike. If you need to remove the plastics, be sure not to break those push pins that hold it on the bike. Now I'm installing switch on the handlebars. I'm using anti-fog LED lights from eBay. You can find the link in description below. I haven't filmed the installation of the fog lights, but it is straightforward. I would suggest replacing those nuts with ones with a nylon ring. For the two bolts that actually hold the lamp, I am using a medium strength locking agent. And don't over-tighten those. The lamp body is made of aluminum and it's easy to destroy the threads. I've shown how to make older brackets for the off-road light bar and how to put those on the bike in the previous video. Link is in description below. I'm waiting for the sun to go down to try out the lights. Here are standard super tenor lights. This is the off-road light bar. These are the anti-fog. Once again, OEM, off-road bar, anti-fogs. That is a lot of light. Don't forget to like and subscribe.